What's going on, guys? It's Ted and Matei back again with Tech Vitamins.
What up?
And continuing off with our last video with the Samsung Galaxy S3, we're going to be showing you the next step or prerequisite before installing a custom ROM, which is going to be installing a custom recovery, of course, after you obtain root. So you've gone ahead and obtained root. So first what we're going to do is just make sure that the phone is back in USB debugging mode.
Alright, and again, very simple, access up through settings. And go all the way down to developer options. And here we go. It's checked, so we're good to go to the next step.
And once you've gone ahead and rooted the device, you're going to have to go ahead and set up ADB. And to go ahead and get that going, you're going to have to download the Android Sdk. Now, if you're unfamiliar with downloading and setting up the Android Sdk, just do a quick Google search, and there's literally tons and tons of videos about setting up Android Sdk. So you set up the Android Sdk, download, install, and run the Android Sdk setup. Install it and then let it update. It takes about 15-20 minutes to fully update the SDK. Excuse me. And once you've gone ahead and updated it, then ADB will be good to go. Also, once you've gone ahead and installed it, just a little something to get to it a bit easier. What it will do by default when it installs is it will install under C or your root directory, program files, x86, and then there'll be an Android folder under here. But just so it's a little bit easier, because we are going to have to get to it in the command prompt, I've just gone ahead and cut and pasted that into my root C drive. So it's right under there under Android. And you'll see how that makes life a little bit easier when we go ahead and pull up the command prompt here. So we'll go ahead, get to root C drive, and we're going to change directory here to Android, and the next one is Android SDK, and was platform tool. So once you've gone ahead and navigated to that directory, just to double check, make sure we've got everything good to go, you'll go ahead and run the command ADB devices, and to make sure that the PC is detecting that phone, you'll see the device listed under that command, of course. So that lets us know that everything with ADB is good to go. And before we get started throwing commands into ADB, you want to go ahead and download your recovery image. Now, most of the time when you download your recovery image, it is not going to be named what we need it to be named. So never mind that. Whatever it is, just go ahead and rename it to recovery, because we need it to be named that for the commands that we're going to be putting into ADB.
Why don't you tell them real quick where we can get different recovery images from? I mean, you can obviously search for it on the internet, but
Yep, you can. Well, the two most popular recovery images right now are Clockwork Mod and then Twerp, or the TeamWin Recovery Project. And what we're going to be using is Twerp. But you know, there's really no one that's better right now at the moment. Both of them are capable of the same things. Basically, just flash your ROM and allow you to do NAND backups. So you, if you can't find it online, we'll go ahead and upload that to our server as well, so you can go ahead and download that if you need be. But a quick search on Google for TeamWin Recovery Project or Clockwork Mod Recovery for the Verizon Wireless Galaxy will find that for you really quickly. But once you've gone ahead and downloaded it, if it isn't already named recovery, just go ahead and rename that recovery. And then, very important, if you did move your Android folder into the root C drive. That's where you're going to need to go to start looking where to place this file. We're going to need to place the file exactly into this directory. So we'll go ahead and jump back there here under platform tools, and I'm going to go ahead and just paste the recovery image right into that folder. Excuse me. So we've got everything set up here. ADB is recognizing our device, so we are ready to throw some commands in here now. So what I've gone ahead and done already is I've got a notepad off the screen here, and I'm just going to be copying and pasting these commands because it is a little bit tedious to type it, and I'm going to go ahead and include these commands down below in the show notes. So first command, I'm going to copy here. Oh, well, we'll paste that in here. And as you can see, it has gone ahead and pushed the recovery. Next command, we will copy and paste. Next command, copy and paste, just super user. And next command, copy and paste. Sorry if I'm getting a bit monotonous, but we've just got one more command after this here, which is a good old reboot into recovery. And after we go ahead and key this in, phone should go ahead and reboot itself into recovery mode, and we should see the TeamWin Recovery Project recovery. Aha, there we go.
There it is. Success.
All right, guys, so as the screen rolls up, you can see we have successfully installed our recovery image, and we did obtain root before, so we are all good to go with flashing a custom ROM. So if you guys have any questions, any concerns or comments, just let us know below. Thanks for watching.